Hello friends, myself Vidyalata Patil from Sveris College of Engineering, Pandharpur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about multiple encryption and DES algorithm. In earlier video, we discussed about data encryption standard, that is DES algorithm, where we studied about operation of DES algorithm, and then we studied there about what are the different types of security attacks on DES algorithm. So, we found there that there are certain theoretical attacks that can break DES algorithm. Also, it demonstrated exhaustive key search attacks. That means DES algorithm is vulnerable to brute force attack, and that is why a clear replacement for DES algorithm was needed. AES algorithm is a new cipher alternative for DES algorithm, but prior to that, this alternative was used. Multiple encryption with DES algorithm was used. So this multiple encryption, that means encrypting plain text for multiple times. So using the hardware implementation which was used for the DES implementation, the same could be used for multiple times, and then we can have multiple encryption. So let us first see double DES encryption. So here encryption is done for 2 times. So the plain text is encrypted first with the key K1 for using DES implementation, and the resultant X, that is again encrypted with DES implementation with key K2, and then we get the cipher text. For decryption, this cipher text is decrypted using reverse DES implementation with key K2, and then resultant is again decrypted with reverse DES encryption with key K1, and then we will get the plain text. Thus, the simplest form of multiple encryption that has 2 encryption stages and 2 keys, and that is why it is called as a double DES. So here in double DES, we can have the equation for the cipher text as an encryption with key K2 of the encryption of plain text with key K1. But this double DES has the concern that there might be a single key that is equivalent to using 2 keys like in a double DES algorithm. Also, because of this double DES can be reduced to single stage, and that could be one of the issue. Also, it has more seriously meet-in-middle attack. First, it was described by Duffy in 1977. It is a known plain text attack, that is, it have no pair of P, C, and attempts to find by trial and error a value of X in the middle of the double DES encryption of this pair. So this type of attack works whenever you use a cipher twice, since X, that is equal to encryption of plain text with key K1, and which is equal to decryption of cipher text with key K2, and therefore there may be attack by encrypting P with all possible keys and then store, and also then decrypt cipher text with keys and match X value. It can show that it takes 2⁵ steps for getting this X value. So which is much better at 2⁻112, which could be an exhaustive search at or for getting the cipher text. Thus, double DES algorithm is vulnerable to attack. So, another option is triple DES with 2 keys. In this, a candidate pair of keys is used. So, plain text is encrypted with certain key, suppose I, and then resultant is decrypted with key J, and then result may be suppose B. Then again this B is encrypted with key I. That means encryption is done with the same key, while in between encryption, these two encryption, decryption is done with certain another key, and then at the final stage we get the ciphertext. A triple DES with two keys is a popular alternative to single DES, but it suffers from being 3 times slower to run. The use of encryption and decryption stages are equivalent, but chosen structure allows for the compatibility with single DES implementation. 3 DES with 2 keys is relatively popular alternative to DS and has been adopted for use in the key management standards by ANS X 9.17 and ISO 8732. Currently, there was no practical cryptanalytic attacks on 3DS. Coppersmith notes that the cost of brute force attack or brute force key search on 3DS is on the order of 2 raised to 112. That means it is equal to 5 multiplied by 10 raised to 33, and it estimates that the cost of differential cryptanalysis suffers the exponentially growth compared to single DES, which exceeds 10 raised to 52. So, triple DES with 2 keys can be summarized as it is a 2 key with encryption, decryption, encryption sequence, where we can have the ciphertext as a encryption with key K1 of the decryption with key K2 where it is the encryption of plain text with key K1. Now here if K1 is equal to K2, then it can work with a single DES. Although there are no practical attacks on 2 key triple DES, but it has some indications about possible attacks on 2 key triple DES, and that is why we can use triple DES with 3 keys to avoid these type of attacks. And then this ciphertext that will be encryption with key K3 of the decryption with key K2 of encryption of a plain text with key K1. These have been adopted by some internet applications, for example PGP, S-MIME for greater security. Thus, triple DES with 3 key can be shown in the diagram in such a way that plain text will be encrypted first with key K1, then it will be decrypted with key K2, and again it is encrypted with key K3, and then we will get a ciphertext. While it is at the time of decryption, ciphertext will be decrypted with key K1. It will be with key K3. Then again it will be encrypted with key K2, and then it will be again decrypted with key K1. Though there is no any attack seen on triple DES, but it is very slow. Also, the block size in a triple DES, that is small, which is a 64-bit, and that is why we again go for the another alternative. And so in the next video we are going to discuss about advanced encryption standard. So thank you for watching this video.